Welcome back to the MSU Assessment channel. This video is part of the SPAL Assessment Platform tutorial series and is brought to you by the Institutional Assessment Team at Murray State University. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to access and download the assessment plan or report graded rubric. Let's get started. When you receive a notification email from MSU SPAL, check the subject line first. It will indicate whether it's an approved plan or report and which administrative unit it belongs to. Within the body of the email, click the direct link provided to access SPAL. The direct link will take you to your unit's details page in SPAL. Select the appropriate academic or fiscal year from the drop-down menu at the top right corner of the page. In this example, we're looking for the 2023-2024 Assessment Report rubric for the Office of Institutional Effectiveness. Then, click the Reviews tab. Now, click the UAC Annual Unit Review lane. Select the Unit-Assessment Plan lane to access the Assessment Plan Graded Rubric, or select the Unit-Assessment Report lane to access the Assessment Report Graded Rubric. For this example, we will access the Assessment Report rubric. Finally, click the document link under the Evidentiary Documents section to download your graded rubric. And there you have it. You just accessed and downloaded your graded rubric. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to MSU Assessment YouTube channel for more helpful tutorials and updates. Or contact us at msu.assessment@murraystate.edu if you have any questions. For more information about outcomes assessment at Murray State, please visit our website by clicking the About link in the description box below. Happy assessing, and go Racers!